In this video, I just want to show you the unboxing of this drone that I've bought recently. It's called the HS series, as you can see there. So let's open the box and see what it looks like inside. So on the side here, you've got all the information, warnings, etc. So it's very lightweight in the box, so I'm intrigued to see what it's like inside. So as you can see, looks like it's got this cover that obviously comes off. And then inside we've got the drone in the centre with these wings attached. Over here on the left, looks like spare wings, little screwdriver, etc. Just pop them down there. And I'm not sure what they are. Might be for the bottom part there, which I'll show you in a minute. And then we've got, looks like a battery charger for 2 batteries. And the USB lead, maybe for plugging in for that. And then on the other side we've got, which looks like the controller. Now with this drone, I don't know whether I have to use it with a phone, with an app, or whether this is the independent controller, but there's certainly no screen looking at that with it. Let me just see what happens with it if just hang on. So look in here, this from the front opens and these at the back open like antennas. Obviously I'm holding the camera at the same time, that goes vertical. So I'll just show you, turn it around. And these here are the controllers, and they've got little protectors on. So if I just put that there, I'll show you, I'll just take the protector off. It's got these little protectors. So these act like little toggle things, as you would get like on a game, like a PlayStation game. Power button. I think that's the home button to get the drone to come back home. And whichever function you're on, looks like it lights up there on the bottom. And then the top you've got video on that side and photograph on this side. And you've got 2 wheels, one either side, there. And then on the back, that's what it looks like on the back. Let me just see if that opens up. Here. Not sure what that does, just hang on. Okay, I've opened these up and it looks like they're just handles to hold on to when you're controlling it. From this side, obviously. So when you're pressing buttons and using your toggle wheel, you can hold it like that. So as for the drone itself, let's have a quick look at that, shall we? As I say, it seems very lightweight in the box, and that is very lightweight to pick up. On the front there, you've got the camera. Bit of protective padding there. Looks like some kind of aerial thing there, look. I'll turn you right over so you get a better look at it. So that's what it looks like on first inspection from opening the box. I'm just wondering where the instruction manual is. So I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to, watch out for these. They can be dangerous around children or pets, so be careful. Ah, there we go. There's the instruction manual in the bottom. And I'm not sure what that is, like a little booklet. Have a look at that in a bit. Anyway, that is what we have got in the box so far. Looks like they are spares for the bottom of that. So it tells me they're obviously going to be breakable. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. I intend obviously to do another video of showing this in action once I get it going, or once I've read the instruction manuals and understand it. So thanks a lot again. Bye.